So if someone wants to adopt us, if you're from Chicago, we're looking for a home.
Yeah.
Welcome back, kimchi lovers. As you know, a lot has happened since moving from Chicago to Evanston. We're in the middle of some first home renovations, all while adjusting to life with our newborn. And oh boy, it's been a journey. If you're new to the channel, we're Nabol and Maria, a Korean and Puerto Rican couple who love to share the meals we eat and the places we've been to. Right now, of course, we're staying local as we figure out life and vlogging with our son Nico.
And here's Nico. He's actually wide awake this morning. Yeah, he's looking at the high contrast. And he's also sleepy. Yeah, it's been a month and we still haven't finished the flooring.
Month and a half.
Month and a half? A month and a half, even worse, right? And but today Nico's gonna take his longest road trip. We're gonna be going to IKEA out in Schaumburg. Hopefully he'll sleep through it, right? We're gonna check out some options for like bathroom and kitchen because we gotta redo those. And we just want to get ideas and stuff. And also to get out of the house while they remove some tiling and start measuring for the flooring here. But see you on the road.
Did I mention we found a new breakfast spot in our area? Charmaine Grill is right down our alley. It's super cozy, family friendly, with lots of old school dishes to choose from. And they have some really great omelets.
Just getting fuzzy.
Just a little bit.
Nico,
You
you wanna eat? It's like, no.
Oh yeah, and don't forget them pancakes. A really great treat to set you up for a great day. Or not.
Oh my god, guys, it's like, it's everything that could possibly go wrong have gone wrong.
Yeah, it's going wrong. So, so when we were getting our tile removed, the stove broke. We can't find the stove microwave combo, and there's gonna be this really huge empty space where the top oven used to be. So, and God knows when we're gonna be able to renovate our kitchen, right? So, it's something that we're gonna have to deal with.
And we're gonna have to stay at a hotel because they're gonna do a epoxy.
Yeah, so so they removed the flooring, and so they asked me if I wanted to put epoxy so that I could walk on it. So I'm like, yeah, obviously, because it's in the entrance and in the kitchen, right? So
let me check on Nico real quick.
We're putting epoxy, and he's like, it's gonna take about 8 to 10 hours to set. So now it's like we can't go back home until like 10 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
So
we're gonna have to find a hotel room.
Yeah, I don't know, like.
I packed for 3 days for Nico, so we're good with Nico.
It's just us.
It's just us. We have no clothes.
So we made it to IKEA, and we figured we could kill a few hours and get some ideas. If you guys have any advice for first-time homeowners looking to redo the kitchen, please leave us your tips in the comments down below. The process can certainly be overwhelming.
So did you like the kitchen that we saw?
That's the one. It's cheap. It looks good. I don't like that we had to look for a contractor. I thought IKEA did all that work, but
Yeah, I thought so too, but it is what it is.
it is what it is.
All for the sake of that little one right there.
Yeah, that's his house right there. Because we're gonna be too old to enjoy it. So. I don't know who that kid is. Well, he's hanging out with you, Papa.
Nico, that's you. Look at you.
Alright, so we survived our first night with Nico at our hotel. It was a pretty good experience considering that Nico wasn't feeling great. He had a little bit of a stomach ache, or we don't know what it is, but he had a hard time eating for some reason. We had to call the doctor. But other than that, he did pretty good. He didn't cry. Let me show you. So when you have a kid, you of course need to have like a create a area for the bottles. we have even more bottles there. And then we had to buy a brush to wash our baby bottles. This pack and play was definitely a lifesaver. We got it last minute from our apartment. Well, how would you rate last night? It wasn't that bad, right?
No, actually it went better than I expected. Yeah, overall it's been good.
It's a pretty good first experience at a hotel with Nico.
Yeah, just testing the waters on how far he can go. But
Yeah,
he was definitely
an
over.
an hour and a half away from home or something.
With traffic, yeah.
Traffic. Next time we go back to Spain. You want a cubano, Nico?
Guys, I'm gonna do ropa vieja because we've had cubanos before. So let's start with this one.
I wouldn't say that.
That's really good. It's really juicy too. And ropa vieja within a sandwich. So I don't really know how to explain it. It's kind of like slow roasted beef. Yeah, so it's super tender. All right, let's see what Maria thinks.
Café con leche. I was like, stick to your side. I think you can order this with the rice too.
Yeah, because we've had it with the rice before. Diagonal slice. It's great when you can see the different layers. That's perfect. You get the crunchy bread and all the meats, super good.
Welcome to this episode of Car Food Confessionals, the Cubano edition. What are you doing over there?
I'm feeding Nico.
So Nico is getting jealous of us eating, which is funny, or that's what it seems anyway. So he's like, he starts crying, or he doesn't really cry that much, but you know.
Yeah, he sees us eating and it's like, I want to eat too.
I want to eat too, and he gets like fussy. So in the middle of recording, of course, we have to stop and say, hey, let's eat pretty quickly so, you know, we can feed him. So now we're always feeding him now. But this place is amazing. You guys should come. This is Elk Grove Village. I'll put it here. I can't remember, but I'll put the address. But yeah, the sandwiches are really authentic. We like the ones from the, what's it called? Press sandwiches?
Yeah, it was Press sandwiches.
Yeah. In Skokie, that place was really good, but it has like a modern twist to it. This one's like
more
legit, yeah. Although I've never seen a ropa vieja sandwich. Have you?
I've never seen one either. That was pretty brilliant. I mean it's a little weird because the ropa vieja is really juicy. So
yeah,
to have a juicy, well, Italian beef sandwiches are juicy if you eat them with the au jus, right? So
this is like the Cuban version. Now that you mentioned that, yeah. But it's totally worth coming here, especially. You're always dropping someone at the airport or somewhere. Or if you're going to IKEA, just stop by. This is like 12 minutes from there or something like that.
Yeah, try it out.
So,
Get the croquetas.
Yeah, the croquetas were good, and we got a beef turnover, pastelillo de carne, which we haven't tried yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. And café con leche, definitely get this. It's really good. They don't even ask you how much sugar you want. They just like old school, like your grandma. It's like, there you go, 2 scoops, two teaspoons. But yeah, so not much going on in our lives aside from chaos at home with the whole renovation and stuff. But we're just gonna do a little bit of grocery shopping, and that's gonna be it for today.
Yeah. We
hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Anything you want to add, Nico?
Nico's passed out. He's sleeping and eating at the same time.
All right, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.